Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy.
You're not home yet.
That's good.
He's sneaking up behind me. I'm on the wrong side.
I think the stage is that way, Alan.
No, that way.
Come on, it's supposed to be on stage 2 minutes ago. But we're waiting for Chris. Because Chris is gonna dry his hair.
What's happening now? He said to go this way.